They said a large majority of our patients are younger guys just like you. And that kind of set this tripwire of going, well, that doesn't make sense. Like, why are there a bunch of 35-year-old guys running around with hormone problems? And when you start digging into the research, and this is going to sound incredibly conspiratorial, what you find is that our father's generation had 25% more testosterone and our fathers had 50% more sperm. And that the reason for it is that there are all these environmental contaminants, the plastics, the PCBs, the phthalates, that they get into our food and our drinking water, the deodorants we use, and they essentially tell our bodies natural hormone production cycle to cease. Or the other way to say it is to stop endogenous production. And so when I first read it, I was like, "Oh my God, this sounds like something like The Handmaid's Tale, like a Showtime movie." And then you start digging into it, and you realize, like, actually, this is very, very real. And you start to understand how the hormone or the HPA cycle in your body works, and you're like, "Wow, this is like a very disturbing thing." And even more disturbing is that a lot of these changes are what they call epigenetic, so they can be passed on to your offspring. So theoretically, the next generation, if you had lower testosterone or hormone problems, could inherit that from you.